Good morning, guys. I'm here at Ritz-Carlton, Melbourne, where we will stay here for 2 nights. Then after that, we'll go to Sydney, Australia. Ang sosyal-sosyal naman itong hotel na to, no? Wow. Labi lang yan. Kita nyo naman. I'm so lucky. Feeling ritzy. This is the view of Melbourne City, seen from 80th floor of Ritz-Carlton, Melbourne. Hello, nakapasok na kami sa aming kwarto dito sa Ritz-Carlton Hotel. Ano ba ito? Oh, closet. Diyan nilagay yung aming mga bagahe. Take a shower. Wow, ang laki ng mirror. This is a mirror. Ang ganda naman, no? Ayan, kailangan magpa-picture taking pala ako rito. Beautiful. Ayan ang aming window. Thank you for watching.